Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I did a brown eye. I never ever. It's like once in the 10 blue moons. Okay, you just see a brown look on my channel, but I just feel like being real cute and simple today, and that's exactly what I did. I love it. And you can also wear this around. Like I want a redo for brown. Okay, I want a redo because when I went to brown, we didn't have all these kids now. They just like they go to the Grammys and it's not fair. I want to redo. Okay, so because now I know how to do makeup and get real cute. Okay, so I want to redo. But besides all that, okay, this I love this. It's really cute. Like I like all my dramatic looks, but sometimes I just want to be simple. Okay, so yeah, that's what we doing. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell, and share and comment, like, hit the thumbs up button. Okay. Like I just like this. It's really cute. Yes. I probably put too much powder down. I didn't need all that. But anyways, okay. We're about to be real simple and out of pop of color. Okay. So we're gonna use the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and we're going to take that light. Okay. We'll take that light brown right there. And you could probably do this look with one palette. Well, you can. I don't know why I need two for this. Okay. And I'm going to keep my shadow kind of low today. Well, no, I'm not. I take that back. Because with my eye shape, it's not going to do that. But I am going to keep it like in this circular motion though. And stop it right here. Like I usually bring it out, but I'm going to stop it right here though. Yeah. Okay, and kind of keep it just right there at my brow bone. Okay, second color, we're going to take Proud, which is the dark brown from the Morphe Jacyln Hill on the Gorgeous palette. And this has become like one of my favorite browns because it's so pigmented. Like I love it. And it's so dark. I'm gonna bring it up just a little. Okay, we're gonna go back into the Warrior palette and take that darkest brown. And of course I added some black to deepen up my crease. Nothing new. Okay. And as usual, go smoke out this outer corner. Okay, and I'm using that last dark brown that I used in my crease, and then I'm putting a little bit of black on top of it. Okay, so I got some new pigments from Jacyln Hill. I'm so excited. Like, I love them. Okay, so the first one is Pecan Frost, and then the one at the bottom is Candy Kisses. The Pecan Frost, you will see what it's like a brownish, goldish. It's real pretty. Okay, and then the Candy Kisses is basically like a topper, like the white gold that I'm using. Yeah, but it's real cute. Okay. Okay, so it's taking Pecan Frost first. I love these pigments so much. Okay, like, because of them, I would never in life, ever, as long as I'm doing makeup, use another shimmer shadow. Like, I'm not doing it. Just give me some pigments. Okay. And then we'll take Candy Kisses and just kind of place it on top. Like I said, this one is more of a topper. It can be worn by itself too. Okay, and of course we have to do a pop of color. Like, I just can't leave my eye like this. It wouldn't be me. Okay, so NYX Matte Black Lip Liner and NYX Vivid Brights in Escape. Okay. Okay, so for my inner corner, I'm taking, well, you can see it a little bit, okay? But it's like a very light green. This from the ABH Cosmetics Black Light Spotlight Palette. And we go pop that in the inner corner and then pop the matte shadow on top of it. Okay, and then the matte green we're going to take is Spear. This is from the ABH Prism palette. Isn't it? Okay, I probably just put a little bit too much on, which I know I don't wear blush. So what I do is take a highlighter that's too dark for me or almost the same color as my skin tone, and I use that as a bronzer. Okay, then for highlighters, what I'm doing is mixing Juvia's Place highlighters, Nefertiti, and Royalty 2 together. Okay, see, I know I never know what to do with my lips. So this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cario. I use this in one of my other tutorials. And then I'm going to put this Colourpop X Kathleen Lights collaboration in Moonchild. It's lip gloss. And Neat Freak collaboration MakeupShayle.